how to revive friends in R.E.P.O. So in this video, I will show you how to revive friend in R.E.P.O game in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. Step number one, open the R.E.P.O game. So first unlock your phone and open the R.E.P.O game app. So when you open the game, you will be on the main screen. Now after that, find your friends. So next look for your friends character in the game. They might be down or unable to play for a moment, and after that use a revival item. So once you find your friend, look for the revive option, and you will need to have a revival item to do that. If you don't have one, you can get it in the store or from completing missions. And after that, tap to revive. So when you have the revival item, tap on the revive button next to your friend's character, and this will bring them back to life and they can play again. Now bonus tip, so if you don't have enough revival item, try joining events or completing daily missions to earn more. So this is how to revive friends in R.E.P.O. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.